Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Students, I hope you are very well at your homes with your loved ones. In our previous class we have solved some question based on complementary angles. We have solved exercise 7.2 up to 4th questions. In today's class we are going to solve further questions. Question number 5. Question number first of today's class is question number 5 of exercise 7.2. So question number 5, first question is cot 12 degree dot cot 38 degree dot cot 52 degree dot cot 60 degree dot cot 78 degree is equal to which value? To solve this question we use the complementary angles. We can क्योंकि we know that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, so we use cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So we can write cot 12 is equal to tan 90 minus 12 degree. Cot 38 is equal to tan 90 minus 38 degree dot cot 52 degree dot cot 60 degree and cot 78 degree. So this will be tan 90 minus 12 is equal to tan 78 degree dot tan 90 minus 38 is equal to tan 52 degree. This will cot 52 degree, cot 60 degree and cot 78 degree. So this will cancelize with each other, this cancel this and remains only cot 60 degree. So value of cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. So cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So answer of this question is 1 by root 3. So let's take second part of question number 5. Second part question number 5 is equal to tan 5 degree dot tan 25 degree dot tan 30 degree dot tan 65 degree dot tan 85 degree. To solve this question we use complementary angle. We can write tan 5 degree is equal to cot 90 minus 5 degree dot cot 90 minus 25 degree and tan 30 degree, tan 65 degree and tan 85 degree. So cot 90 minus 5 is equal to cot 85 degree dot cot this is equal to 65 degree dot tan 30 degree dot tan 65 degree dot tan 85 degree. This cot 85 degree cancels this tan 85, this cot 65 cancels this tan 65, remains only tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. The value of this question is equal to 1 by root 3. So let's take next question of this class. Next question of this class is our question number 6 of exercise 7.2. Question number 6 7.2. First question is find sin 81 degree प्लस sin 71 डिग्री की वैल्यू किसके बराबर होगी. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स के अकॉर्डिंग हम लिख सकते हैं cos 90 माइनस 81 प्लस cos 90 माइनस 71 डिग्री। तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं cos 9 डिग्री प्लस cos 19 डिग्री। तो इसकी वैल्यू किसके बराबर होगी, इसकी cos 9 एंड cos 19। द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज tan 68 डिग्री प्लस sec 68 डिग्री। हमें इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है। तो इसकी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का यूज करेंगे। इसको tan को हम लिख सकते हैं cot 90 माइनस 68 डिग्री प्लस sec 90 माइनस 68 डिग्री। सॉरी, sec को भी चेंज कर सकता हूँ। cot 90 माइनस 68 इज इक्वल टू 22 cot 22 डिग्री प्लस sec को किस में, cosec में चेंज कर सकते हैं। cosec दिस इज 68 cos 90 माइनस 68 डिग्री। सो cot 22 डिग्री प्लस cosec 22 डिग्री। So this is the answer of this question. So take next question. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is sin 65 degree plus cos 25 degree is equal to 2 cos 25 degree. ये हमें प्रूफ करना है। तो प्रूफ करने के लिए हम सेम, दिस इज LHS, दिस इज RHS and take LHS. LHS is sin 65 degree plus cos 25 degree. Use complementary angles. We can write sin 65 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 65 plus cos 25 degree. 90 minus 65 is equal to 25. तो cos 25 degree plus cos 25 degree. So one cos 25 and second cos 25 is equal to 2 of cos 25 degree, which is equal to our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Take next question. Next question of this class is question number 8 of exercise 7.2. Sin 35 dot sin 55 degree minus cos 35 degree dot cos 55 degree is equal to 0. To solve this question, we take LHS. This is LHS complete till then sin 35 degree dot sin 55 degree minus cos 35 degree dot cos 55 degree. We can write sin 35 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 35 degree according to the complementary angle, and this sin 55 is equal to cos 90 minus 55 degree minus cos 35 degree dot cos 55 degree. Cos 90 minus 35 is equal to cos 55 degree, and this cos 90 minus 55 is equal to cos 35 degree minus cos 35 degree dot cos 55 degree. If I take common here from here cos 35 degree, then here only cos 55 degree minus here cos 55 degree. So this cancel as this remains 0. 0 into cos 35 degree into 0 is equal to 0. So answer of this question is 0. Takes next question of this class. Our next question of this class is question number 9 of exercise 7.2. 7.2 question number 9 is cos 70 degree upon sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon साइन 31 डिग्री माइनस 8 साइन स्क्वायर 30 degree is equal to 0. So to solve this question we take LHS. Our LHS is cos 70 degree divided by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree divided by sin 31 degree minus of 8 of sin square 30 degree is equal to, we can change cos 70 degree is equal to sin 90 minus 70 degree upon sin 20 degree minus of cos 59 is equal to sin 90 minus 59 degree upon sin 31 degree minus of 8 of sin 30 degree into whole square. So this will be sin 20 degree upon sin 20 degree, and this sin 31 degree upon sin 31 degree minus of 8 of sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 square is equal to sin 20 sin 20 sin 31 sin 31 cancel. So 1 minus 1 minus 8 into 1 upon 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So sorry, here plus sign, because in the question here is plus, so here it is plus. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 4 2 is 8, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, which is our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Take next question of this class. Next question is question number 10 of exercise 7.2 is sin 90 minus theta dot cos 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So take LHS to solve this question. Our LHS is sin 90 minus theta dot cos 90 minus theta. So this will be cos theta and this will be sin theta. So I can change cos and sin is equal to sec into cosec. So here will be 1 upon sec theta dot 1 upon cosec theta. I can change cosec again. Sorry, cosec को चेंज नहीं करते, ओनली साइन, तो into sin theta. So here will be sin theta upon sec theta. If I multiply and divided by sec theta, there will be no change. I can write it sin theta dot sec theta, and here sec square theta. I can write sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and above sin theta into 1 upon cos theta, because 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, and sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Sin upon cos is equal to tan theta, so tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही. सो आई होप कि यहाँ तक समझ में आया होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इस क्लास में हम एक्सरसाइज 7.2 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच. कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप वॉचिंग, कीप like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.